Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook corn on the cob on the grill. First, select the freshest ears, looking for vibrant green husks and firm, juicy kernels. Then, pull back the husks gently, making sure to remove every strand of silk. Many people enjoy soaking the husked corn in cold water for about 20 minutes. This can help keep the kernels tender and prevent burning on the grill. After soaking, gently pat the corn dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. Now, let's add some flavor to our corn before grilling. Take a pastry brush and apply a thin, even layer of melted unsalted butter or a good quality olive oil to each ear. Following this, sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other seasonings you enjoy, like paprika or garlic powder. Finally, wrap each ear snugly in a piece of heavy-duty aluminum foil, creating a sealed package to steam the corn perfectly. It's time to get grilling. Start by preheating your grill to a steady medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the grill is hot, carefully place the foil-wrapped corn directly onto the grates. Let the corn cook for approximately 20 minutes total, turning each ear every 5 to 7 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly on all sides. This method allows the corn to steam perfectly within its foil packet, resulting in tender, flavorful kernels. Once your corn is cooked to perfection, carefully remove the hot packets from the grill using sturdy tongs. Allow them to cool for just a couple of minutes. This prevents steam burns and makes handling easier. Unwrap each ear to reveal its golden, tender kernels. Serve your delicious grilled corn immediately, perhaps with a little extra butter, some fresh chopped cilantro, or a refreshing squeeze of lime juice for an added zest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.